Welcome back to VisualEyeCandy's Reviews Just For You. I'm going to review this cat toy from Pet Craft Supply Co. I bought the Pet Craft toy a while ago for my cats. I bought one for B because she liked it so much. The thing I didn't like about this, I don't know what you call it. It almost looks like Gonzo from the Muppets. The only thing I didn't like about it, that it fell apart so fast. I guess maybe she liked it so much. Tells you the website on the back here. The first thing to go, of course, is the feathers. She goes pretty crazy for it already, you can tell. She likes it a lot. She likes to destroy it. She likes to wreck it. Get it then! Get it! She likes to throw it up in the air and destroy it. Oh, we're gonna go with that one. It's a good pet toy. She sure loves it. Yep. Kicks the crap right out of it. But with the toy in general, it's cute. She almost treats it like she found a bird, like she hunted a bird or something. But she sure likes it. It has catnip inside, so she goes all crazy for it. Crazy. She goes crazy for this bird thing. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. She goes crazy for it. Right? Get it, Bee. Get it. She loves this. I think it reminds me of like an actual bird she would hunt. Maybe that's why. But it's pretty funny looking. It looks like Gonzo from the Muppets. She likes to throw it up in the air and then she'll catch it and then she'll throw it away. She's kind of weird like that. This is Lady. Lady we've had for a couple years. She's a rescue cat. She loves to play. She's so much fun and super smart.
Too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah.
She loves that toy. Strips all the feathers out of it. Thoroughly enjoys it. The only thing I don't like about it is that the cat probably ends up digesting those feathers. Or maybe just preens them like it's a baby or something. Thanks for watching Visual Eye Candy reviews just for you. Hope you liked my review on the Pet Craft Supply Co. toys for cats. Have a great day and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.